Hi everyone. In today's tutorial, we will show you how to add a product sidebar to your Shopify store. A sidebar can help display additional information like categories, filters, or promotions, making it easier for customers to navigate their products. Let's go through it step by step. On your Shopify dashboard, click Online Store on the left side of the dashboard. Once you see it, click it. Here, you will see the theme you are using. We need to edit the theme. When you are on the editing page, click the top part. Then, click Collections and select Default Collections. Here, you will see the product grid. Click on the product grid. You can see the product width here. To change the layout, click Filter Layout. If we choose vertical, the filters will appear on the sidebar. Once you are done, save your changes. That's how we add a product sidebar to a Shopify store. This simple feature can improve navigation and make the shopping experience better for customers.